In this video, I'm going to be showing you the newest method to change your YouTube channel URL on your mobile phone. First, you'll need to get the Google Chrome app. Then you'll click on it. Then you're going to click on, as you see, this is the regular mobile look, but you're going to request desktop settings. You'll click on the three dashes in the bottom right hand corner. Then we'll request desktop view. As you can see now it gives you a whole desktop feel. It looks more like a desktop. Then you're going to click on your profile photo in the top right hand corner. And click on settings. Then you're going to click on advanced settings. And there you see you have the option to, I'm eligible for a custom URL. You would click on that. And there, I'm going to select a custom URL now. And that's about it. Hope you found this video informative. If you did, be sure to hit the like button and also subscribe.